Upbeat music plays. Hey there, Buy Smart fam. Welcome back to the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions, one mop at a time. Today, we're diving into the world of steam mops. That's right, we're comparing the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop and the Neugo Steam Mop. If you thought mopping was boring, think again. This is going to be more entertaining than watching paint dry, which, let's be honest, is pretty darn exciting too. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite subject, money. The BISSELL Powerfresh is priced at $164, which some reviewers feel is a bit steep for a mop. In contrast, the Neugo is a budget-friendly option at $109, earning praise for its affordability. Reviewers appreciate that Neugo offers great value for its price, making it an attractive choice for those looking to save a bit of cash. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of cleaning. The BISSELL promises to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria without using harsh chemicals, earning it rave reviews for its cleaning effectiveness. However, some users have pointed out that the steam output can be inconsistent, requiring frequent pauses to heat back up. Meanwhile, the Neugo heats up to a sizzling 230 degrees Fahrenheit, and has been noted for its ability to tackle stubborn stains with ease, making it a favorite among users who love its powerful cleaning capabilities. Versatility is key, folks. The BISSELL is a powerful handheld steam cleaner and mop, all wrapped into one, which reviewers love for its multiple cleaning applications. It even comes with an onboard storage kit for tools. Meanwhile, Neugo boasts an adjustable steam mode for all floor types. Users appreciate this feature as it allows them to customize their cleaning experience based on the surface, making it feel like a personal trainer for their floors. Let's talk water tanks. BISSELL's tank is decent, but Neugo takes the cake with its 15.2 ounces removable tank, which has been highlighted in reviews for reducing the hassle of frequent refilling. Reviewers love that they can mop longer without interruption, allowing for a more efficient cleaning session. It's like the difference between a quick bathroom break and a full-on road trip pit stop. Who wants to stop for gas when you can keep cruising? When it comes to design, BISSELL's extension tube and extra-long 25 feet cord are great for reaching those hard-to-get spots, which many users find helpful. However, some have noted that the design can cause discomfort during extended use. On the other hand, Neugo is designed with adjustable height features that users love, as it alleviates back pain while cleaning. Finally, a mop that understands the struggle of being short. Overall, both products have their strengths and weaknesses, as highlighted by user reviews. The BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop is praised for its effectiveness and versatility, though some users have noted issues with steam consistency and comfort during use. Meanwhile, the Neugo Steam Mop is celebrated for its affordability, powerful cleaning capabilities, and user-friendly design, making it a popular choice among budget-conscious consumers. So after all this mopping madness, what's the verdict? If you're looking for a versatile, powerful cleaner and don't mind shelling out a bit more cash, the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop might be your best bet. But if you want a budget-friendly option that packs a steamy punch, the Neugo Steam Mop is your go-to. Remember, folks, whether you go with BISSELL or Neugo, your floors will be cleaner than my conscience after a pizza bin. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more product comparisons, and drop a comment below on which mop you'd choose. Until next time, keep buying smart and mopping hard.